I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah blah blah, and I'm willing to share them all. Here's a cool thing. There was a Brazilian fella playing the Barrow for a while, and he was playing it back to front, I think. I remember Brian Fleming telling me. His roll was down there. I spent a while, I can't quite. And if you put it with the other roll, you get the. Oh. It's funny, isn't it? No, it's just nonsense, but it's good crack. It's good for loosening up your arm. I should do it more. Fascinating. You want to kind of I want to take my arms off, let them do it and watch it, you know. It's a little bit of a weird angle, but yeah, you can get kind of fast. Hold on a minute. Let me just do it the once for a second, just for fun. It might be a bit mad noisy. And then have we time? Dizzy, isn't it? Timbale stick, really handy. For size wise, for the best, you take about, what's that, 1/5 off it or something, and go down to 3/4, and you get a nice, something like that. Niche, go home in the garden, but they're just handy. That's the kind of stick I like.